iOS 18.1. Here's how to type to Siri. With the launch of Apple Intelligence in iOS 18.1, communicating with Siri has become easier, as it received a powerful change that lets you type your query instead of providing voice commands with greater ease. It's a robust change, ideal for those moments when you're required to be discreet. GadInsider's compiled a step-by-step guide to use Siri in iOS 18.1. Firstly, launch Settings, and then go to Apple Intelligence and Siri. Ensure the Type to Siri toggle's turned on, and now talk and type to Siri. Afterwards, the typing interface will appear on your iPhone screen with a double tap. Give a written prompt to Siri by simply entering your query and clicking the up arrow. Siri will respond within the blink of an eye, just as quickly as it would respond to a voice command. The latest text-based interaction will especially cater to users during meetings or in a noisy environment where Siri is likely to struggle to listen to you. It's a flexible tool, particularly designed for those who are hesitant to use voice commands in public. Features incorporated with Siri's great knowledge base in iOS 18.1, such as settings navigation and Apple product support. Furthermore, it allows users to utilize natural language to find settings when they're baffled by their accurate names.